Welcome to our channel. How to set up rockspace AC2100 Wi-Fi Range Extender. Hey there! If you're struggling with weak Wi-Fi signals in certain corners of your home or office, today's video is for you. This tutorial explains how a compact and powerful device can help boost your existing network, giving you better coverage and smoother streaming throughout your space. This tutorial will walk you through the entire setup process of the rockspace AC2100 Wi-Fi Range Extender in few simple steps. Let's get started. First of all, unbox your rockspace AC2100 extender and make sure you have all the components in the box. The extender, Ethernet cable, power adapter, manual guide. Plug the extender into a power outlet near your main Wi-Fi router. Wait until the power LED turns solid blue. Now, grab your phone, tablet, or laptop and go to your Wi-Fi settings. Look for a network called rockspace_EXT and connect to it. No password will be required at this point. Once you're connected, open a browser and type the URL rockspace.local into the address bar. Now, hit enter and the setup page will load. If it doesn't, try typing the IP address 192.168.0.254 instead. Create a new login password for your extender. This is just for logging into the extender itself, not your Wi-Fi. Tap Next and let the extender scan for nearby Wi-Fi networks. When the list appears, select your main Wi-Fi network that you want to extend. Enter your existing Wi-Fi password carefully and double-check it's correct. Now choose whether you want to use the same network name, SSID, as your main router or create a different one for the extender. Tap Next and wait while the extender connects to your router. This usually takes about a minute. Once it's done, you'll see a confirmation page that says the setup was successful. Unplug the extender and move it to a spot that's halfway between your router and the area with weak Wi-Fi. Plug it in and wait for the signal LED to turn solid blue again, indicating a good connection. Now reconnect your phone or laptop to the extended Wi-Fi network, either the _EXT one or the one you renamed. Open your browser and make sure your internet works smoothly. If everything looks good, you're all set. The extender is now boosting your Wi-Fi signal. And remember, you can always log back into the extender's settings using the same web address if you need to change anything later. And that's it, your rockspace AC2100 is up and running. Hopefully, this guide made the setup easy and stress-free. If it helped, go ahead and give the video a thumbs up to the video. Got any questions? Drop a comment below, we're happy to help. And if you want more tech tips and setup guides like this, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.